أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Al-Quran, chapter 4, verse 59. يا أيها الذين آمنوا أطيعوا الله وأطيعوا الرسول وأولي الأمر منكم. O you who believe, obey God and obey the Messenger and the uli'l amr, those who possess the divine command, from among you. Unquote. Ya Ali Madad, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. In the present time, who possesses the divine command, uli'l amr, from among us? Every wise person who believes in God's existence can understand that it is absolutely impossible for His law of mercy to remove His means of command and guidance, that is the Imam, from among the world's people at any time. And it is absolutely impossible for the people of the world to deny the presence of the source of God's guidance. Thus, the guide should always be alive and present among the people in human form in every age of time, whether it is the cycle of prophethood or the cycle of Imamate. In his book, Islam, Sayyidina Qazi Nu'man recounts a Farman Mubarak from Hazrat Imam Muhammad al-Baqir alayhi salam, referring to the Quranic verse, chapter 4, verse 59. Quote, Nahnu ulul amr. We, the Imams of the Ahl al-Bayt, are the ulul amr. Unquote. Mawlana Imam Sultan Muhammed Shah alayhi salam wrote a foreword for Jairazbhoy's book, Muhammed, a Mercy to All the Nations. In that he explains, quote, by the institution of the ulul amr, who can be interpreted as Imam and Caliph, and by placing obedience to ulul amr, immediately after that to God and Prophet, he ensured that the faith would ever remain living, extending, developing with science, knowledge, art, and industry. Unquote. Let's watch and listen to a clip. How beautifully our youth, Zahra Shehzad and Zara Saif Ali, recited the same Quranic verse.
Dear friends, Ya Ali Madad, obedience to Allah, the Prophet, and the Imam all the time is not always easy.
To watch the full video, please visit the Global Ismaili Sounds in the youth section of our website. That is wisdom for today. Love each other. Let's learn together.